You see, the engine is cooled by coolant, antifreeze, mixed with water. This mixture circulates around that engine, absorbing some of the heat. The coolant then flows through the radiator, where air cools it down for the return trip back through the engine. And the water pump is what drives this process.
Now, I've heard that cooling system problems are the #1 mechanical failure, so the water pump plays a pretty important role.
Absolutely right. You can't get very far without a water pump. The exact location varies depending on the vehicle. Some have the water pump attached to the outside of the engine where you can see it. With those, the water pump is driven by the serpentine belt. Some have the water pump driven by the timing belt. The timing belt cover often hides the water pump with this setup, so you can't see the pump without removing the cover. When you have your technician replace your water pump on one of these, you really should replace the timing belt at the same time. You see, we've already gotten things taken apart and the belt's likely been contaminated by coolant. The timing belts usually need to be replaced every 60 to 90,000 miles anyway, so it just makes sense to do both jobs at once.